This video gives a quick demo of public sharing capability within ShareFile projects. To share a file publicly, you select a file or a folder which you want to share and click on Share. If your default sharing option is public, you can click on Create Link. If not, you click on Edit Links and modify who can access this link to public. In Public Link option, there won't be edit permission, only view or download. You can also change how long this link should be active based on your needs. And if you want to always link to the latest version of the file or just the current version, you then click on Create Link. The link is now created and copied automatically. I will now open incognito mode and paste the copied public link to show that the link opens without any authentication. Note, public links are meant to be used to share less important files with ease of access, not for confidential files. Any malicious user, if they get access to the link, can access the file.